I don't know why is electricity going higher. I wonder why. Come on, cut already. So that's fake? Should I? Is this my sister's sketchbook? Mind if I do? Wait, why does it look comfy? And this is where I almost flip and crack my back until my death of my limbs and my lungs and until my spine. Where are you? No, I'm the one who owns the supermarket. No, it's me. So just me, it's burning here. That's very cold. Wait, what if animal just took my feet and every monster took my feet and my life is gone? Oh my god, but it's hot though. Why is it so uncomfortable? This wall is so gross. What if someone's just looking at me while I'm sleeping? Okay, at least I'm not looking at something weird. It's just a wall. Then I'll go to heaven next after. Is that toy looking at me? No, you don't.